today we will start our new chapter in history, and the chapter name is From Gathering to Growing Fruits. So let us start our chapter by seeing the video.
Hunter-gatherers. Who are these hunter-gatherers? The clues provided by archaeologists have enabled us to discover how men and women lived in India several thousand years ago. This type of life is described as primitive because people largely depended on nature for their livelihood. Their food was not cooked and their clothes were not sewn, and they had no permanent shelter. Since they did not know how to cultivate crops and vegetables, they lived on what they found from plants and hunted animals instead of taming them, and they are called food gatherers or hunter-gatherers.
Okay, now we will talk about first dateline. In that, I had already told you that 0 is considered as the origin of the birth of the Jesus Christ, and in that we will talk about Stone Age. That Stone Age is divided into 3 parts. First is Paleolithic Age, that started from 2 lakh years ago. Then second is Mesolithic Age. It started around 12,000 years ago. Third, that is Neolithic Age. It started around the 10,000 years ago. So in this chapter we will talk about Neolithic Age. But before I start the chapter, let us have a small revision what we had till learn. Earlier we had learned that Paleolithic Age, in that the people are called hunter and gatherer. They even don't know how to grow the fruits. So they used to collect foods from the environment, and even they started hunting animals and gathering the foods. They used to gather foods like nuts, sticks, eggs, and from hunting animals they are getting meat of the animals. Mesolithic Age, I had already told you that it started around 12,000 years ago, and in that age we had found major change in climatic condition of the world, and that change leads to the shift of the climate to the warmer condition, and it also leads to development of the grasslands at many places. Through this change in the atmosphere, now people started thinking about hearing and hearing animals. Even people had started doing agricultures of the grains like wheat, barley, rice, which are naturally grown in the different parts of the continent according to the climatic condition. Now we will start the chapter, that is from hunting, gathering to growing food. In this chapter, we study about the following things like varieties of foods, the beginning of farming and herding, a new way of life, storing animals, finding about the first farmer and herder towards a settled life, what about other customs and practices. A close look living and dying in Mehangarh, a close look of Dahuli and hurling. Next, first we will talk about this chapter is talk about Neolithic Age. The Neolithic Age is the age started around 10,000 years ago, and its Neolithic age is also called New Stone Age. In this period, we will find the change in the human life, and due to that, some achievements achieved by the man. For example, beginning of agriculture, invention of wheels, making poetries. First point is that varieties of food. We found foods such as fruits, vegetables, grains, milk, meat from plants and animals, and they depend on different plants grown in different climatic condition. For example, when we're talking about climatic condition, for example, rice we will take. In that, for doing agriculture of rice, we need more water than the requirement other crops, for example, than the wheat and barley. When the people had started doing agriculture, same way they also use different types of animals according to the different climatic condition. For example, sheep and goat can live in dry and hilly environment, but others plant cattle do not. Next we will talk about beginning of farming and herding. As we know that due to the climatic condition change in the atmosphere, that leads to the starting of agriculture, and at that time we will observe that men and women must have start observing the types of plants available according to the climatic condition. Then we will found that, or we can observe that the way they are producing the foods, that some of the food grains might be fall down on the field, and from that sapling or the other plants grown it, and through that trying they started doing the agriculture. It is not easy as we are thinking to do the planting seeds and doing the agriculture. Due to the different types of weapons we had found in Stone Age that will helpful for the people in this age. Even doing agriculture, the people even started protecting them from the birds and animal, and in this way they become farmer. Next point is, even in this period people are attracted and they had started domestication of tame animals by leaving the foods for them. For first tame animals was our wild ancestor of the dog, which people had started encouraging the animals, and which they were gently to come near the campus where they lived, and they even started protecting the animals from the other wild animal, and in this way they become herder. For domestication of animals, they are using sheep, goat, and cattle. Mostly, these animals are using grass as their food. Now, next point is your domestication. Domestication is the process in which the man grows plants and even they are protecting the animals. And most of the animals tended by the mans because they are different from the wild animals. People often selected the animals and plants for their domestication according to the climatic condition, and domestication process started around the 12,000 years ago that we had seen in the previous chapter. And plants and animals produce the food that we are eating today, that is nothing but a domestication. So here the chapter I will stop here. We will continue this chapter in next video. Thank you, class.